Hi guys, it's Gina, and today I'm going to pierce my daughter Lydia's nose. If you want to see that, then keep watching. Okay, so this is what we got. We got cotton rounds, alcohol pads, markers, gloves, jewelry, needles, salt spray, more rubbing alcohol, and a container soaking clamps. So here we go. Okay, so here's her jewelry. There's a bunch in here. So we picked which one she wants, and we're gonna go ahead and put this in alcohol too, just make sure that it's sanitized.
There's a star, a diamond, and a heart.
Okay, there's a star, a diamond, and a heart, but it's really hard to tell the difference because it's really little. Oh yeah, I see. Oh, okay, we'll do the biggest one so it shows up the best. Actually, let's put another one in there just in case. Just in case I drop it and we're like, oh my gosh! In a second, I'm going to wash my hands, to put on gloves, and I have her lay down on the bed. So, I think that'll be the best position to be able to get to her nose. Okay, so from Amazon, I got this Body for You, and I got 18 gauge needles, and then the jewelry is 20 gauge, so it can fit inside the hollow needle. I'm gonna get one of these out. I'm gonna put the jewelry on here so it's ready and easy to grab. It's been soaking in alcohol for a while now, so just that little sucker out. And I have two just in case I drop one. Drying my hands. Good, so just want to get the water out. It's really hard to get gloves on when your hands are wet. And I got extra gloves because I'll probably break these. I'm hoping that the gloves will help like grip the needle, so make it easier to push. If it didn't hurt, it wouldn't be that big of a deal, but that's the only part. I don't like hurting my kid. Even though she wants
it. This is gonna hurt.
Yeah, a little bit, and your eye might water, it might bleed. I don't know. We'll have to see. We're putting a hole in your nose, so. No, you don't need to sit up. And we're gonna do the right side she wants to do. So, and we're gonna put it right below the crease because it's supposed to heal better and faster. So yeah.
So look at dentist.
We're gonna salt spray it later too. I actually bought this because in the beginning I wasn't sure if I would use a cap and put it in her nose and do it that way, or the clamp, but I'm gonna try the clamp instead, I think. We decided we're gonna do the clamp, right?
Yeah.
I think that's what I'm gonna do this side. Some people do clamp and some people do, you know, like a cap or a metal thing. I don't know, it's just preference, and since this is my first time, I don't know what I prefer yet. Put a dot on, we'll see. We'll change it if you don't like it. Okay, I'm gonna put the clamps on. I hope it doesn't hurt.
It smells.
Sorry. It smells like alcohol, I guess. Okay, clamping. Are you okay?
Yeah, it hurts. I did it. Your eye's watering.
That was easier than the ear. Maybe because I had a clamp.
Cracking.
I heard it.
Oh, my eye's watering.
Okay, let's see if I can. Now, this jewelry wasn't the best fitting. So, and let's see if I can get the, hold on. Let me see if I can get this off of here. Without, but hold still so we don't lose the needle.
Okay, we did it.
Yay!
Watering
That was
so
the part I
much.
was worried about.
Now it doesn't hurt as bad at all.
Good. I'm sorry. It's probably the clamp. All right. See if I can get this. Now, this earring or this thing should actually be fitting in here better than it is. I don't know why it's not. So hopefully we can. Oh, good. Went through. Success! That was actually way easier than I thought it was going to be. I need to get something to move your... I'm going to use the back of the needle to move this drawer and more. So you don't have it sticking out. Yay! Now we don't touch it. And I might spray it just to... You have a pierced nose!
Look good?
Yeah! Awesome! Okay. Was it bad?
Well, the clamp hurt more than the needle.
Okay. Well, set up and let's spray it. You're supposed to not get soap in it and stuff, and don't put makeup on it. But you can spray it. It's so sorry. Such a blast. The spray. And also don't use Q-tips because the fibers can get stuck on the jewelry and then cause an infection too.
Okay.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
You're holding your stomach. Are
No,
you?
it's my stomach's fine.
Okay. Now we have to let you see it. So hold on. Let's go look at it. The mirror's dirty. Oh well. All right.
Well, I'm not gonna have a good day.
You like it?
Yeah.
Awesome.
It's all red.
The mirror's so dirty. It's hard to see.
I'm cold. No, I'm not cold.
You're in shock or something. Remember that time that we all got our blood drawn and you passed out almost?
Yeah, I
That's-
was like
I think
seeing
that's
dots
why.
everywhere.
Yeah. Okay, so
I'm
look
shaking.
at me. Aw. All right,
love
look. You like it?
Yeah.
I did that. You look.
I let you do that.
Your hair is sticking up everywhere because you were on the bed, I guess. Yay. So, we did it. She's happy. And it wasn't that bad at all. I honestly, like, it was way easier than when I did their ears. But I think it's because I had a clamp. And last time I didn't have a clamp. Yeah. Because I had to, like, pull your ear. I don't know. Stop that. She's in shock. It only took a couple minutes to do the whole thing. That was pretty awesome, actually.
Can you like see it?
Yeah, it's probably take a minute to get used to. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye, guys.